Welcome to the assembly guide for the NEXA Deluxe, manufactured by Toysphere. The box includes main body, front wheel complete, complete hand rest, head rest, water bottle, seat, rear wheels, wheels cap, handle, movement wire, footrest, parental handle pipe, blowing handle, flute pipe, hardware. First remove the wheel cover. Insert the axle into the wheel. Attach the wheels to the main body by pressing the button on the frame both sides. Cover both wheels with the wheel covers. Insert the front fork into the main body. Insert the handle into the fork as shown. Secure the handle in the fork by tightening the lock. Insert the flute pipe. Attach the flute pipe ring with the help of a screw. Secure the movement wire to the fork. Adjust the rear end of the movement wire with a nut. Attach the footrest as shown and tighten it with a nut and bolt. Place the seat onto the frame. Secure the seat using a nut. Align the hole of the headrest with the headrest frame hole. Fix the headrest using a nut bolt. Insert the headrest into the main frame, lock it with the lock button. Secure the blowing handle to the parental pipe using a nut bolt. Insert the parental pipe into the flute pipe. Tighten the parental pipe with a bolt. Place the water bottle on the rear side of the bottle holder. Now your NEXA Deluxe is ready to use.